Hello, welcome to PRM Media channel. This is Resul. In this episode, we are going to focus on PRM Theme Pavilion. This is an online exhibition project from PRM. For the project, we are working with a huge theme for a long time, and today we invited Daniel from PRM to discuss about this topic, and also we are going to talk about what are the benefits and what are the details of the project. Hello, Daniel.
Hello, Res.
Daniel, in the first place, can you mention about the PRM Theme Pavilion? What's that project?
Okay, sure. The PRM Theme Pavilion is a new concept that we start to create this year. The first time we created was for China Plus, with the main purpose to promote Taiwanese manufacturer that actually participate in China Plus. As you know, this year China Plus was really special, therefore we were to try to give some special promotion. This time we're focusing in application. This time is focused in packaging industry related machinery. Therefore, in the pavilion you can find high quantity of machinery, starting even from blown film up to bag making machine, glove making machine, mask making machine. You will find actually everything related to packaging industry.
Okay, then let's clarify. Is it only for the packaging industry or packaging focus, or are we going to see some similar or maybe different projects in the future?
Okay, actually, as I just mentioned, this is the second time we do it. The first time was related to exhibitions. Therefore, for example, next year our buyers can expect we have like this kind of activity for K-Show. For example, there is another big exhibition such as China Plus. When we come to application, this is the first time we're having it. And we decided to start with packaging because actually we got a lot of feedback from customer that packaging machinery was one of the most demanded during COVID-19. For 2022 also we have some different planning to have applications such as recycling machinery, injection molding machine, medical application machinery, for example. This one we are going to update by the end of this year.
Okay, sounds like really great. And my another question is, you know, right now there are many online exhibitions. And it could be, like we can say, it became a trend of the industry. So what's the difference between PRM Theme Pavilion and the general online exhibition projects?
Okay, first of all, as we know, one of the main weaknesses for online exhibition is that they are designed to only be like between short time of period. The longest will be like 1 or 2 weeks. Or PRM Theme Pavilion, actually, that is the main reason why we set it for 2 months. In that way, actually, buyers have enough time to find the machinery they want, because what happened in online exhibition, you are as a buyer, maybe you want to find some machinery, but maybe you figure out that this exhibition finished next, let's say last week. Therefore, you are not able to find the machinery you want, or maybe you will find, but you will not have like all the information as we will have. With this, we assure 2 months of continuous exposure. Also, this time we're focusing in application, we can say. This time is packaging machinery. In online exhibition, it will be wider. Actually, we can say that the main advantage we have, we are really specific.
Well, therefore we are going to have PRM Theme Pavilion for 2 months of duration. And I also come up with another question. Daniel, we also have PRM B2B platform for plastic and rubber industry. So in this case, what are the difference between this platform and PRM Theme Pavilion? Okay,
basically the main difference between these two concepts, as you know, for example, our B2B platform, we have more than 10 years having it. And the main purpose has been like the long-term exposure. And also, or PRM Theme Pavilion, the main purpose is fast exposure and specific exposure. What do I mean with specific exposure is that you're going to find one specific kind of machinery or one specific kind of application. In our B2B platform, you know that you can find any kind of machinery related to plastic and rubber industry. PRM B2B Theme Pavilion is going to be dedicated for one kind of machinery, which is packaging machinery.
It sounds like special exposure or like one-page experience kind.
Yes, exactly. Like yes, exactly. It's like that. It's actually, we can say that it's a different platform. I would like to separate our Theme Pavilion and our B2B platform, because actually also you have different kind of resources that you won't be able to find in your B2B platform. You have such as different kind of videos. Also, the machinery that Taiwanese manufacturers are going to showcase over there are the most demanded in the market, actually, since starting from last year. Therefore, the main purpose, as I mentioned, is international buyers can really quick find what they really want, because they will also find, like, we can say, market trend. What is the most demanded kind of machinery as well?
So it sounds like the exhibitors, or let's say manufacturers, already pick the demanded products and they want to show on that page directly.
Exactly, yes.
Okay, then the another question is, who can be benefited? What I mean is, what is the target audience or visitors?
Okay. This will sound really cliche, but actually is all the international buyers around the world. Because this B2B platform won't have any restrictions, like for example by region, let's say Southeast Asia, or only Middle East. Actually, this will be able to, you can, if you are in Latin America, you can come in. Also, for example, Europe, everywhere basically. That is the main, so our audience is all the people that need machinery and is in this industry, in the plastic and rubber industry.
Perfect. And you know, like there are many online exhibition projects right now. It's kind of the trend of the industry. But we need to talk about the numbers. So what's the target audience numbers? How many people, how many visitors we are going to reach? Okay,
actually we're going to reach 50,000 audience within 2 months. And a lot of people might thinking how are you going to reach within 2 months. It's really easy, because actually, you know, the number of visitors that we have here in Taiwan overpass that really easily, first of all. Second one, we have like different platforms such as in news. We're going to have some dedicated news that this will be really helpful for international buyers as well. So you will have information like yours right in your email.
Daniel, we mentioned about PRM Theme Pavilion is going to focus on packaging industry this time. But you know, packaging has many different sections. What kind of suppliers are we going to see on the platform this time, and the visitors, how they can benefit it?
Okay, first of all, you're going to find Taiwanese suppliers. First of all, that is the main point. Second one, you're going to be able to find all kind of suppliers. Actually, I would like to mention this because I know that different markets have different needs. Therefore, in our platform, you will be able to find, for example, like different kind of qualities, different kind of prices, different kind of customization ability from different companies, because you know each company has different specialties or specific like strengths. Therefore, the main benefit you're going to have, you're going to be able to find the whole line of packaging, let's say even including recycling. You will be able to also find some plastic recycling machine manufacturers in our platform. Also, another thing that international buyers will be able to be benefited will be like we will going to have different activities within our PRM Theme Pavilion that is going to be, for example, machine manufacturer of the day. What is this? Each day we are going to have in a platform one Taiwanese manufacturer that is going to be like highlighted. In that way, you are going to have a better insight of what kind of machinery this company do, or also understand how far you can go, for example, with this kind of machinery.
Well, Daniel, what I understand, PRM Theme Pavilion this time is going to focus on packaging industry. Yes. And if a visitor needs a whole line, let's say from the machinery, the initial machinery, and then packaging units, let's say labeling, and even recycling machine for this whole line, they will be able to find on one-page platform.
Yes, exactly.
That sounds perfect. Well, today we come to the end of this episode and we talk about PRM Theme Pavilion, focus on packaging industry. For more information and the platform link, please remember to check video description below. Thank you so much and see you in the next episodes and also on PRM Theme Pavilion.